1998 will forever hold a special place in enough Jamaican hearts. That was the year our small but mighty island made it to the FIFA World Cup, standing tall on the biggest stage in football. After a fierce CONCACAF qualification journey, Jamaica earned a spot in the finals by finishing third in the final round. And for the first time, we're about to showcase the island's talent and spirit, faith, the beautiful game on a global level. The Reggae Boyz headed to France, united under our black, gold, and green colors, carrying the dreams of an entire nation. And even though our journey ended in the group stages, that victory over Japan 2-1 in our last game was a statement. We might not have made it to the round of 16, but Jamaica will make full mark. And it is a time that Jamaica will never ever forget. It was legendary, historic, a proof that Jamaican football had the heart and resilience to compete with the best. Now let's talk about a player that many looked up to and still look up to this day. They talk about him like no other. He is said to be the most skilled Jamaican football ever. Let us know if you agree or not. We're talking about Blacka Pearl, Walter Boyd. You know him? Tell us in the comments. Now, Walter Boyd is a player who defined Jamaican football in a way very few ever could. He is without a doubt one of the most beloved figures in Jamaican football. This man wasn't just talented, he was electric on the field. His style, his moves, his flair, they made him a player you couldn't take your eyes off. Bird's football journey took him from the local Jamaican clubs Naggohead and Constant Spring all the way to US with Colorado Foxes and eventually to Europe with Swansea City in Wales. On his debut with Swansea, he scored twice, leaving no doubt about his skills. But Walter Boyd didn't just score goals, he captivated audiences and made Jamaicans everywhere proud. People still talk about the time he was sent off just 53 seconds after coming on as a substitute, setting a world record. His unpredictable nature only added to his legend. Now, Walter Boyd's path to the World Cup wasn't easy, and his incredible talent came with its share of challenges. Despite his status as one of the country's best ballers, Boyd's career was often impacted by his struggles with discipline off the field. His relationship with the Jamaican Football Federation, JFF, was complicated. Just before the World Cup, he faced issues with JAF and nearly missed out on being part of the squad. In the end, though, he made it to France with the team, though he was mainly used as a substitute, coming off the bench in all three of Jamaican's group matches. While he didn't get as much playing time as he deserved, many would say Boyd's presence was significant. Seeing him on the field, even if for a few minutes, was powerful for Jamaicans, especially since it came after so much struggle and controversy. People talk about Blacka and him red Puma boots, and how a lot of Jamaicans were looking to get that Puma boots and the jersey. Now tell us in the comments, do you have any memories of the Pearl? It might be the older generation though. Tell us about Blacka Pearl, and for the younger generations, are you aware of this footballer? Now let's continue. Even with the ups and downs, Walter Boyd remains a legend in Jamaican football. His skill, passion, and larger than life personality have left a lasting impact on the sport and the fans. His career was a mix of brilliance and, as you know, controversy. On one hand, a genius on the field, many say. On the other, a player who often clashed with authority. Now, Blacka Pearl's story is one of resilience, talent, and the challenges that come with being a true icon. Today, he stands off as a reminder of what Jamaican football is about: pure heart, undeniable skill, and the fight to push through no matter the obstacles. Walter Boyd is and will always be the Blacka Pearl of Jamaican football, inspiring the next generation to take the field with the same fire and passion. Many state that they wish that we could have that spirit of 1998 as we approach, as we're in qualifiers now, and World Cup is not that far away. We're looking to see if Jamaica will once again make history. Tell us in the comments as Jamaica is playing tonight, and we'll keep you updated on that as well. So, this is actually a short video. Once I learned of Blacka Pearl, I was like, I had to do something a little bit concise on him, getting more information to do something a little longer. So let us know if you want that info. Subscribe, comment, like if you enjoy this kind of content. Now wrapping up, Jamaica may have only made it to the World Cup once so far, but that moment in 1998 and legends like Walter Boyd show that we can compete with the world's best. Our players today are following in the footsteps of Blacka Pearl and other Reggae Boyz who paved the way, bringing Jamaican football to new heights. So, as we look to the future, we remember the battles, the triumphs, and the personalities that got us here. Walter Boyd may have faced his share of challenges, but his legacy is one of heart and the unmatched talent, qualities that continue to inspire Jamaican football fans around the world. Let's keep that spirit alive as we cheer on the Reggae Boyz in hopes of seeing Jamaica back on the world stage again soon. That's it for now, guys. It's been a while, we know. We hope to, drop a few videos this weekend. We're so behind. We're so behind. But thank you so much for keep on, subscribing, liking, commenting, watching the old videos, engaging with us in community and so forth. We are committed to ensuring that we have a constant schedule of content in video that's long form and short form coming your way about Jamaica, Jamaican culture, Jamaican history, the niceness of Jamaica, Jamaican food, the, anything Jamaican at home and wherever else. That's it for now. We hope you have a blessed night. Big up, blessings, and we are so happy to have this community of almost 22,000 followers. We're almost there, guys. Just a few more subscribers to get us to 22,000. So blessings for that.